Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a VOX style map animation. First of all, you need to import a map. Then go to the basics and add keyframe in a transform section. Then play the video till 10 seconds and increase the scale. Now add keyframe. Now copy it and paste it in a timeline. In this way, you can create a zoom in effect. Now go to the remove background of a new video and select custom removal and select smart brush. Then select the area you want. Now select the smart eraser and delete the unwanted area. Apply. Now go to the adjustment and go to curves. Now change the color according to your taste. In this way, you can have this effect. Now from this point, delete the left side of the video. Now go to the video and select mask. Select circle. Then reduce the size of circle. Adjust it. And increase a feather. Add keyframe. Now play the video up to 23 seconds and increase the circle. Then increase the feather to the end. Add keyframe. Now in order to get a flickering effect, the playhead to 1 mark. Then delete the alternative segment. In this way, you will get the flickering effect. You will have the VOX style map animation. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel.